Hello, guys. I hope all of you are fine. So today I have brought to you one of my Python-based solutions to mask sensitive information from PDF documents. So I'm calling it MaskIt. The use case behind this is in many processes, people deal with PDF files, multi-page PDF files, maybe 5, 10, or 15-page PDF files, where they need to mask the sensitive information in the PDF document before they can share it any further. Okay, so in such scenarios, the options that are there for the business is to purchase the licensed version of you know uh, PDF writer, and then engage his own, engage people in using that PDF writer in finding and masking the areas that need to be, that needs to be masked. So you have the license cost, and then you have the people cost, and then still you have, you know, you cannot guarantee the accuracy, right? Because after all, human beings, if it's a too big PDF documents or too many documents to be masked, human beings tend to do mistakes. So to counter all these problems, this solution has been made. What this will do is, once you have created a masking strategy for a particular format PDF document, that strategy can be applied on one file or multiple files to automatically mask all the sensitive information in that PDF document, uh, you know, at once. So all the documents masked at once. Okay, so I'll quickly show you a sample. So this is one of the PDF files. This is a sample PDF file, certificate of insurance, that I have downloaded from internet. And I will show you the masked version of it. So this I have masked using the solution that I have made, which I'm going to demonstrate in this video. Okay, and now we will quickly also run one demonstration to show you how. So let me actually close it and delete the masked PDF. And now let me actually run the solution that I have made, and you will see how the information, sensitive information in this PDF document will be masked, and a masked PDF file will be generated. So let me launch the, okay, so here it is. Now, to be able to mask sensitive informations that I have captured in this masking model, what I will do is I will select this masking model and run, and I'm just showing it to you once, and then in the next video I will show you how you can use this solution to create your own masking strategy. Okay, so let's quickly run this. I will select this and I'll click on run, and then I will select if I want to run it on one file or on multiple files. So for now, I'm just going to select one file. I have one file, and then I'll browse and select the file on which I want to run, apply this masking strategy, and I'll click on proceed, right? And it's started. So in the background, if you see, it will start. So masking page 1 and so on. It has, this document has 5 pages, so it will keep on masking one page at a time. Okay, and since it is going to take some time, approximately this has 5 pages, and approximately it is going to take 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to pause this video and I'll come back once I reach up to the page 5. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the masking is done till masking, I mean, it's working on the page 5 currently, and once it is done, okay, so it saved the file with this new name _mask, as you can see here. Now if I open this file, you see the areas that I have captured in the masking strategy model, all those will get masked. And then you can create different masks. You can create text mask, you can create image mask, you can create image, a parent child image mask, and that you will get to know once I start to show you how you can create your own masking strategy using this solution. So That's it. Another thing which I want to show you is the mask that you see here is all black in color, but I'm calling it MaskIt, but you can also use it as a highlighter or a of text. So if you can simply go to this settings option, and then here you can select what kind of mask you want to make out, apply in the PDF documents. So if I select this, it will create a loop, a rectangle in the areas that you have specified, and then I can select the thickness of the rectangle. Okay, and then I can also select the color of the rectangle, or same for the, if I want to create a mask only, then I can also opt for different colors of mask. So this is it for this video, and in the next video I'll show you how to create your masking strategy. So this is one ready-made solution, masking strategy model, which I applied on the existing PDF. In the next video I'll create one with you guys, and then we'll run that. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys will stick to this series and see the next video also, if just in case if you find this solution to be applicable in your area or useful. And one more, guys, I'm working on the licensing schema of this solution, and once I'm ready with it, I will be I will be giving first 50 copies of it free of cost, because I need people to test it and then give me feedback. So I will be giving 50 copies of it free of cost. So whoever asks for it to me on my email ID, okay, I didn't. Okay, I will share the email ID in the next video. So whoever, the first 50 people asking for the solution will get it free of cost. No, nothing will be charged. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you watch the next video also. Thank you so much. Bye.